I've been toying with this idea for a few days. I bought most of the stuff from either a local lumber yard and or a company called planet4solar.com. You can also reach them via email at sales@planet4solar, all one word, lowercase, .com. And I have no affiliation with them. I have made purchases, but I don't get anything for this video. I'm a engineer, but I am non-degreed. So take this information as educational only. Don't sue me if something goes wrong, because I can't pay you. But I thought I would explain what I have. Okay, the first things are mid clamps. You see two of them there, mid clamps. Those are clamps that will be screwed down with a ceramic 2.5 inch screw, and it clamps the frame of the solar panel there and there. Okay, so it squeezes to a 2x4. Now the ceramic screw that I'm using is this one, except it's 1.25 inches longer than that one. Here is the angle bracket that I'm using. This all comes in one kit right here with a gasket and a deep lag screw. And the reason I can use that deep lag screw is I have a steel roof and it has purlins under it. And I'm mounting these brackets on top of the purlins. And of course, right here you will see what I have. I'm mounting it to the purlins via that lag screw. It goes all the way through the purlin, all the way through a shingled roof underneath, and into the roofing below. Okay? You see this shorter screw, which is, I believe it's 1.25 inches. It is ceramic coated, so it can go up against treated lumber and the aluminum and not have any bad effects. Okay, the next thing that I have here is this, and that's a GTRK, and it's also good for treated lumber, and I didn't know that at first. I'm using that, and by golly, I can't tell you what I'm using it for now, but I needed those, so I bought some. But it's important that you use that gasket, this gasket or this gasket, between here and here, between treated lumber and aluminum and the roof to help seal. Now you'll also notice that this screw has a steel roof washer on it, and you want to compress that washer against this aluminum bracket, and that'll keep you from creating a leak in your roof. Okay, midship clamps, mounting clamps, and he has an array of extruded aluminum brackets that are good to mount your solar panels to if that's what you wanted. I used treated lumber. Got to be a little bit more careful with the fasteners, but other than that, it's a lot cheaper than the extruded pieces, and it'll last just fine. Just wanted to give a heads up on this company, planet4solar.com, sales@planet4solar.com. No affiliation. I just like the guy. He's treated me well. He's given me discounts on what I needed. So check him out, folks. You'll like what he's got. Thanks. Goodbye. Have a nice day. I'm getting closer.